Polymarket App Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. Polymarket has been gaining attention as a platform for prediction markets, letting users bet on outcomes ranging from politics to global events. But in 2025, is it a reliable and worthwhile app? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by assuming Polymarket is just gambling. The surprising truth is that it's a decentralized prediction market powered by blockchain, meaning outcomes are determined transparently and participants can hedge real-world events. You can trade on a wide variety of markets using crypto, which opens up opportunities, but also comes with risk. A key pro is the app's accessibility. It's easy to create an account, explore markets, and place trades. Liquidity has improved over time, and the platform offers analytics to help users make informed decisions. Polymarket also emphasizes transparency. Smart contracts ensure that outcomes and payouts are automated, reducing the risk of manipulation. However, there are cons. Volatility is high, and inexperienced users can lose money quickly. Regulatory uncertainty is also a concern, as prediction markets fall into grey areas in some regions. Additionally, transaction fees can add up, especially for smaller trades, and the learning curve can be steep if you're unfamiliar with crypto. In conclusion, Polymarket in 2025 is best suited for users who understand crypto and prediction markets, and who enjoy analyzing global events for potential gains. It's not a casual app, but for informed traders, it can be both educational and profitable. Approach with caution, manage your risk, and it can be a powerful tool for engagement with real-world events.